What's something people don't know about retirement income? It's that the story doesn't have to end when your primary career does. Many people picture retirement as a finish line for earning, but what if we reframed it as a starting line for earning differently? For earning smarter, on your own terms. The secret is that many sideline gigs or side hustles pay more than you think, and more importantly, they're flexible. This isn't about going back to a rigid 9 to 5. It's about leveraging a lifetime of experience in a way that fits your new lifestyle. Think of it as monetizing your wisdom, your hobbies, and your passions, all while maintaining the freedom you've worked so hard to achieve. The goal is to add a fulfilling and profitable new dimension to your retirement, reducing financial stress and increasing your sense of purpose. So, if you're ready to explore how to supplement your income without sacrificing your schedule, here's how to get started. First up, one of the most rewarding options: tutoring or teaching online. You've spent decades accumulating knowledge, whether in a professional field like engineering or finance, a practical skill like woodworking or public speaking, or even a language. Now, you can share that lifetime of skills with students around the world, right from your home office. Platforms like Tutor.com, Wisent, or even setting up your own sessions via Zoom make it incredibly accessible. You can help a high school student with algebra, mentor a college student in your former industry, or teach English as a second language. The demand is vast. You can typically expect to earn anywhere from $20 to $60 an hour, depending on the subject's complexity and your experience. The best part? You set your own hours. You can open up just a few slots a week, perhaps on Tuesday and Thursday mornings, leaving the rest of your time for family, travel, or other passions. Our second hustle is for the wordsmiths: freelance writing or editing. Businesses of all sizes need high-quality written content, and your professional experience gives you a unique edge. You can sell your expertise to blogs, local businesses, or nonprofits. Think about your career. Were you in marketing? You could write website copy or email newsletters for a local realtor. Were you in human resources? You could help small companies draft their employee handbooks. To get started, create a simple portfolio with a few writing samples. These could be mock-ups or even well-written posts on a platform like LinkedIn. Then you can start pitching your services. Look at the websites of local businesses you admire. Do they have a blog? Could their About Us page be more compelling? Send a polite, professional email introducing yourself and suggesting how you can help. Rates can vary widely, from per-word rates to project fees, but it's not uncommon for experienced professionals to earn $50 to $100 or more for a single blog post. Time blocking is your friend here. Dedicate a few focused hours each week to writing, and you can build a steady stream of income. Third on our list is a hustle that gets you moving and offers plenty of affection: pet sitting and dog walking. This has an incredibly low startup cost and consistently high demand, especially in residential areas. People need reliable, trustworthy individuals to care for their furry family members while they're at work or on vacation. Your maturity and life experience are huge assets here, signaling responsibility to potential clients. Before you start, it's wise to look into basic liability insurance for peace of mind. You can find policies specifically for pet sitters. Demand often cycles, with peaks during holiday seasons and summer vacation months, allowing you to plan your work around your own travel schedule. Pricing can be set per walk, per visit, or per overnight stay, often ranging from $15 to $25 for a 30-minute walk and $50 to $80 or more for an overnight stay. Onboarding a new client should always start with a meet and greet to ensure you, the owner, and the pet are all a good fit. It's a wonderful way to stay active, enjoy the outdoors, and earn money by providing a much-needed service. Number 4 is perfect for the creative and the collector: selling handmade goods or vintage resales. This is the ultimate way to turn your hobbies into profit. Do you love knitting, painting, or woodworking? You can sell your creations on platforms like Etsy. Are you a treasure hunter who loves browsing flea markets and antique shops? You can resell unique vintage finds on sites like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. The key to success is presentation. Take clear, well-lit photos of your items against a neutral backdrop. Write detailed, honest descriptions. When it comes to pricing, be sure to factor in not just the cost of materials, but also platform fees, shipping costs, and most importantly, your time. A good workflow for packaging and shipping is essential to keep things running smoothly. You can start small, listing just a few items, and see what sells. Pay attention to seasonal trends, cozy knitted scarves in the fall, for example, or vintage glassware for summer parties. It's a business that can grow at your own pace, driven entirely by your passion. Finally, our fifth and most potentially lucrative hustle: consulting. You can advise businesses in your former industry for premium pay. After a 30 or 40-year career, you are a subject matter expert. Companies, especially smaller ones or startups, will pay handsomely for your strategic guidance, saving them from making costly mistakes. The first step is positioning yourself. Update your LinkedIn profile to reflect your new status as an independent consultant. Define your scope of work clearly. Will you offer one-off strategic planning sessions? Will you be on a monthly retainer for ongoing advice? Or will you manage a specific short-term project? Because you're offering high-value expertise, you can and should charge premium rates. Don't price yourself as an employee. You're a strategic partner. A simple contract outlining deliverables, timelines, and payment terms is a must. A great way to start is by offering a quick win deliverable, a 2-hour workshop, or a concise strategic review that provides immediate value and showcases your abilities. This can often lead to longer, more substantial engagements. Your network is your most powerful tool here. Reach out to former colleagues and contacts and let them know you're available for project-based work. Now that you have some ideas, let's talk about getting set up. The beauty of these hustles is that they don't require a massive investment. For most, a reliable computer and internet connection are all you need. Create a professional-looking profile on any platforms you plan to use, with a clear photo and a well-written bio. It's also helpful to create a few templates to save time, like a template for pitching emails to writing clients or a standard response for new pet sitting inquiries. There are also some fantastic apps that can help you stay organized. A simple calendar app can manage your appointments, and a to-do list app can help you track your tasks for each project. The key is to keep it simple and build your toolkit as you go. Of course, when you're earning money, you need to think about managing it. Let's touch on money and taxes. It's crucial to track all your earnings and any related expenses. You can use a simple spreadsheet or a dedicated app. Keep records of business-related purchases, like a new microphone for tutoring, software subscriptions, or mileage for driving to a client's house. These are often deductible and can lower your tax bill. A great habit to build from day one is to set aside a portion of every payment for taxes. A common rule of thumb is 25 to 30%. Put it in a separate savings account so you're not caught by surprise. Now, it's important to note that I'm not a financial advisor or tax professional, so it's always a good idea to consult with one to understand the specific rules and opportunities for your situation. Feeling inspired but not sure where to begin? Here's a simple 30-day action plan. Don't try to do everything at once. Instead, pick just one of these hustles that genuinely excites you. Then, commit to trying it for 1 month. Dedicate a specific, manageable amount of time to it each week. During that month, your only goals are to learn the ropes and track your progress. At the end of the 30 days, take a look. How much did you earn? How did it feel? Did you enjoy the work? This isn't about hitting a massive income goal in your first month. It's about gathering data. Based on your results and your enjoyment, you can decide whether to continue, to try a different hustle, or to scale what works. This low-risk experiment is the best way to find the perfect fit for your retirement lifestyle. The journey to a richer, more flexible retirement can start right now. To help you decide which path is right for you, I've created a simple guide. Want a free 1-page checklist to help you pick the best fit? It walks you through evaluating your skills, interests, and income goals. Click the link in the description to download your copy and start your new chapter today.